Hello my dear students, good afternoon all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at here. This is your Tasib sir and today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn chapter number 9, measurement. In last lecture we have started a measurement. Got my points my dear students? In last session we have already started measurement. So remember what we are going to learn. Okay, and yesterday's topic means measurement of length we have done. I repeat here, measurement of length. Tomorrow we have done, sorry, yesterday this topic, yesterday we have done. Got my point all? Yesterday we have done measurement of length. We have checked the size of the scale and then we are going to check the size of the bat. Okay, cricket bat. Got my points my dear students? And here we are practically live, we are checking the size of the water bottle or our maths textbook. Okay, I hope you all remember this all topic we have done. So now my dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic. Okay, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn a new topic. So first of all I am writing here the new topic and then we will move on further here. So first topic is measurement in a meter and centimeter. I hope you all remember centimeter. Okay, centimeter is equal to semi and meter. So we hold only meter. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. So now here we are going to start a new topic. Okay, so I am writing here the new topic, measuring in meter and centimeter. Measuring in a meter and a centimeter. Got my points my dear students? I hope you all are understood. This is a new topic. What? This is a new topic. Today is new topic. So now note down this topic and then we will move on further this topic. Got my points my dear students? Okay, what I am telling you. So now note down this topic all. And our first topic is for the how long are these? How long are these? Means we have to measure in a meters or centimeters. But my points, my dear students, so now here I am writing all things in the centimeters ruler. In this centimeter ruler means a small centimeter ruler, not a meter scale, ruler, scale. Okay, scale is called a ruler. Okay, you can see that each centimeter has, we don't call a centimeter, semi we call centimeter. See, and write a short form, not a speak a short form. Has been put into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. But my friends, my dear students, the halfway mark shows a half a centimeter. But my points, my dear students. So now what of this notice on my dear students? Okay. First of all, I draw here the scale, and then after we will move on further. Okay. So now here I am going to draw you must be use the scale because of this is a ruler, okay, in my hand, and you have to compulsory draw with the help of ruler, means with the help of scale. Understood all what I am telling you here? And my dear students, here we are going to draw a pencil, small pencil. So now with the use of scale, we are going to draw. We are going to draw what? Scale, means a pencil. By proper measure, first of all you properly measure, and then you try to draw it properly. Okay all, what I am telling you, you understood all? Means we have to draw it properly. Good my points, my dear students. This is your what? This is your special number. Means example number first, measuring in meters and centimeter. How long are these? Okay. Now here I am writing about this situation. This is a pencil. This is a pencil and exactly on the midway mark. See, this is here midway mark here. Okay, midway mark in middle parts. Midway marks between 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So it is a dash centimeter long. Now if we fill the answer. Okay my dear students, what I am telling you here, see now I am explaining you here how long are these. In this centimeters ruler you can see that each centimeter has been approved. Okay, into 10 equal parts. Means see this is how to divide into 10 equal parts. So 0 to 1 centimeter is the one part. 2 to 3 is the second part. 3 to 4 as like that is the scale is from 1 to 10. So it's divided into the 10 equal parts. What my dear students, what we are told here we called it's divided into the 10 equal parts. The halfway mark shows the half a centimeter. Means see as like that 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So it's what a half. Okay, means 0. means what we have put. See, here is 1.5 we put. So my pencil is reached here. The what we called 1.5 means 1.5. Okay. What my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. The halfway mark shows the half a centimeter. What my points? This pencil and exactly this pencil is blue. This pencil is and exactly on the midway. See, this is exactly on this midway. But my points, my dear students, it's reaching exactly midpoint. Okay. So what we called 5.5 means half. Okay, means 5 to 6 in between the exactly part is a half. Okay, so this pencil and exactly on the midway marks are between 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. It's a 5 centimeter, 5 and a half, 5 and a half. 1 half we already learned from the fraction. 1 and a half is what part? Full, not full, but half of full. Okay, what my point is a 5.5 centimeter long. See, this is a pencil. What my points? I hope you all are understood. Again, I repeat, but first of all, you write this all things in your book. Okay, my dear students. First of all, note down the topic means okay. First of all, note down the name of the chapter and then you move on, my dear students, further. Okay. Then after we have other example. And then after we will move on, my dear students, converting meter to centimeter. What, my dear students? Then after we move on further, converting to centimeter to meter. Okay. So now we note down this all topic. What I am telling you, my dear students, note down this both on topic and then we will move on further, my dear students. You take a time and then you write means and properly you draw this figure means scale and pencil. So again I repeat, my dear students, here what is the new topic? Measuring meters and centimeter. What, my dear students? Measuring in meters and centimeter. Okay, how long are this? So in this centimeters ruler, you can see that each centimeter has been put into a 10 equal parts. The halfway mark shows half a centimeter. Means a halfway mark. See, it's called a halfway mark. See here, this and this. It's called a halfway marks. Marks, not a mark. Marks, not. But exactly we speak mark. Any mark. Tick mark the question. Tick mark the answer as like we told. So here we speak halfway mark. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. This a pencil ends exactly on the midway. What all? This pencil ends exactly on the midway mark between 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. See here, between 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, it is a 5.5 centimeter long. Okay, this pencil. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now, my dear students, I am telling you other example. If a pencil is near about the 5, exactly near about the 5. So what we call? So we call it is a 5 centimeter long. Otherwise, it's the long to till a 6. So what we call? It is a 5. It is a 5 centimeter long. Otherwise, it's a in between 6 to 7 in midway half phase. So what we call? We call 6.5 centimeter long. As like we take the different example. Okay. So my dear students, you note down this. I hope you have done. So now we will move on further our next topic, converting to centimeter to meter. Where my dear students, now we will move on further topic, converting meter to centimeter. Sorry, meter to centimeter, not a centimeter to meter. If you have any doubt, my dear students, so try to come on the Google session. Every Saturday we arrange the Google Meet doubt session. Okay, means specially we arrange the doubt session. If you have any doubt, not only for maths, all subjects doubt, so you try to come on Google Meet, and you must be not come on, but you must be coming in a Google Meet session, means doubt session. Okay, so now my dear students, we will move on a new topic, converting meters to centimeter. Meters to centimeters. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. Okay, all. You also use this scale. Okay, my dear students, because of we draw the proper or correct line. That's why I am telling you. So now, first of all, note down this all topics with me, my dear students. Okay, so first is 1 meter. Meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, dear, what is this? It's the meters. It's the 100 meters. 100 meters. Try to write these all things, my dear students, because of this very important for us all. Okay. Then after, my dear students, we will move on further, make a table, and then we write the all details about the meter and centimeter. Okay. So here we are going to start the. Okay, so is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So now I am making the one table here, and then we will move on further, my dear students. So our new topic is what, my dear students? Our new topic is exactly our new topic is what? Converting meters to centimeter. Okay, converting meter to centimeter. So note down this all topic, my dear students, and then we will move on further. because of now we are going to learn this table, and then we will move on further one. Okay, here is which table? Centimeter. Okay, converting meter to centimeter table. What my points, my dear students? Converting meter to centimeter. Okay, I hope you all are understood all. Its table is very important for us, my dear students. Okay, its table in coming into the solving by the table, by the using of table, we solving properly all sums. Okay, we solving the all sum. But my points, my dear students, what I am telling you. And then after, my dear students, we will move on for the writing the means filling the table. Okay, all what we are going to do for the. Okay, so now here we have done this table, and then we will move on writing this table. But my points, my dear students, what I am wrote here. Here we are writing the meter. M for always meter for small m and centimeter for capital and small m. So now try to go first, and then we will write all here. Okay, first of all you write these all things, my dear students, and then we will move on further. Okay. So now you draw this table, my dear students, properly as like me. Okay, and you must be use the scale. So now I am filling here the table. And it's a very easy for us. Okay, this table, how we write this table, not down. 200, 300, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and after 900 what comes? 1000. Sorry, 1000. Okay, 1000. It's come up 1000. But my points, my dear students. Okay, so first of all, you wrote down this table, and this table calls to a converting meters to centimeter. What, my dear students, what we call this table? We call this table converting meters to centimeters. Put my points. I hope you all are understood. Okay, all. Now I am writing these other things in beside, and then after tomorrow we will going to learn exercise. Okay, tomorrow we will going to learn the exercise. The tallest man in the world lives in Turkey. Where? The tallest man in the world lives in Turkey. Turkey is the name of the country. All I hope you know. He is 2 meter and 51 centimeter tall. How many? 2 meter and 51 centimeter tall. Okay. So how many centimeter? So how many? Question is what? How many centimeter is that? Means we have to find here how many centimeter is exactly that. Understood? Here is the table. Now first of all, after we move on this question, the first of all I teach you this. I explain you this table. Okay, what is the new topic? Converting meters to centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. If compulsory you have to memorize with me and note down this all this 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, 400 is equal to 4 is equal to 400 centimeter, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter, 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeters, 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeters, and 10 meter is equal to 10 meters is equal to 1000 centimeters. Okay, if this topic is converting meters to centimeter, if I am telling you 7 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 700. If I am speaking and I am asked the question 2 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 200. Okay, means meter to centimeter. If we are converting a centimeter to meter, so 900 centimeter is converted to meter. So I am telling you 900 centimeters. So how many meters? 9. I am asking you 600 centimeters. So you say 6 meters. As like that we are going to learn. Okay, now this is a question. The tallest man in the world lives in the Turkey. Is a 2 meter. Answer is what? 2 meter 51 centimeters. So we have to find. Okay. So now 2 meter. See, this is a 2 meter. So how many centimeter? 200 centimeter. 200 centimeters. See here. And 51 centimeter as it is here. 51 centimeter. So how can we write the answer? Here we do the add. 251. Okay, my dear students, answer is what? Now we write the answer. 0 plus 1, 5 So answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 251 centimeter he long. Okay, so now note down this sum, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Okay, now note down this sum, my dear students. It's most important things for us, my dear students. Okay, again I repeat, my dear students. See, the tallest man in the world lives in a Turkey. In Turkey, one person is tallest and his height is tall 2 meter and 51 centimeter tall. How many centimeters? Means here is the centimeter is that. So 2 meter and 51 centimeter. So 2 meter, how we check, my dear students? 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. See, this is the second column. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Got my points? 200 is equal to 200 centimeters. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. 200 is equal to 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter and 51 centimeter as it is 51 centimeter. Now we write the 200 centimeter plus 51 centimeter. So 251 centimeter is answer. Okay. Got my points? As like that we are going to solve this all sum. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. And now I will give you today's homework. Today's homework is what? You have to write this table 2 times and this sum write 2 times in your fair. Got my points? Thank you so much all of you. Thank you for watching this video.